Hello DIY lovers! We have a fun and simple DIY project for you today, installing wall paneling. Wall paneling can instantly change the style and feel of your room, whether you want to go for a sleek, contemporary appearance or a cozy, rustic one. So let's get started and discover how to install wall paneling in detail. Step 1. Gather your materials. Gather all the supplies you will require for this project first. Typically, you'll need wall panels of your choice, measuring tape, level, stud finder, nails or adhesive, a saw, sandpaper, paint or finish. Step 2. Measure and plan. The number of panels you'll need will depend on the height and width of your wall. If there are numerous panels, plan the layout to have them all aligned symmetrically. Step 3. Locate studs. To detect and mark the studs in your wall, use a stud finder. This is necessary to properly anchor the panels to the wall. Step 4. Cut panels if necessary. Take measurements and mark the necessary cuts if your panels don't fit the wall precisely. To trim the panels appropriately, use a saw. Step 5. Start at the corner. Start at the wall's corner. Make sure the initial panel is level and appropriately positioned with respect to studs before attaching it with glue or by nailing it in place. Continue in this manner for more panels, leaving a tiny opening at the button expansion. Step 6. Interlock panels. Slide the tongue of one panel into the groove of the next interlocking panels. Nail or glue them to the studs to attach them to the wall. Step 7. Add trim, optional. Consider adding trim to the edges and corners of your wall paneling to give it a more finished appearance. Additionally, it will cover up defects or gaps. And there it is, a stunning wall paneling installation that can change the mood of any space. This do-it-yourself project is feasible and satisfying with a little perseverance.